Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom, the place where healing begins, truth replaces confusion, and your God-given identity is restored. If you've ever questioned your reality after being betrayed by a narcissist, this message is for you. Today we're exposing the hidden patterns behind their betrayal, their deception, and the dirty secrets they work so hard to keep buried. Betrayal by a narcissist is rarely a single event. It's usually a carefully woven pattern of lies, manipulation, and emotional exploitation that develops over time. What hurts the most isn't always what they did. It's realizing how long they convinced you that none of it was happening. One of their biggest secrets is that they often create two completely different versions of themselves. The version they show the world is charming, generous, successful, and trustworthy. Behind closed doors, however, they become controlling, dismissive, cruel, and emotionally unpredictable. This double life allows them to protect their public image while privately damaging the people closest to them. Many narcissists also live hidden emotional lives. They may secretly entertain multiple relationships, flirt behind your back, maintain inappropriate conversations, or emotionally invest in someone else while insisting or simply overreacting. When confronted, they rarely accept responsibility. Instead, they deny, minimize, redirect, or accuse you of being paranoid. This is where gaslighting becomes one of their most effective weapons. They manipulate facts until you begin doubting your own memory. Conversations mysteriously change. Promises disappear. Events are rewritten. Before long, you're apologizing for things you never did, while they're avoiding accountability for things they absolutely did. Another dirty secret is the smear campaign. Long before the relationship ends, many narcissists quietly begin planting seeds with family, friends, co-workers, or even members of your church or community. They present themselves as the victim while subtly portraying you as unstable, controlling, jealous, or impossible to please. By the time you finally speak up, they've already influenced how others perceive you. The goal isn't simply to ruin your reputation. It's to protect theirs. Their image often matters more to them than honesty. Financial manipulation is another form of betrayal many survivors experience. Some narcissists hide money, create secret accounts, rack up debt, or use finances as a way to control decisions. Others intentionally make you dependent, so leaving becomes increasingly difficult. Emotionally, they may keep you trapped through cycles of affection and rejection. One day you're everything they've ever wanted. The next day you're ignored, criticized, or discarded. These dramatic emotional swings create confusion and trauma bonds that are incredibly difficult to break. One painful truth many survivors eventually discover is that the narcissist often studies people. They learn your fears. They learn your dreams. They learn your childhood wounds. Unfortunately, instead of protecting those vulnerable places, they frequently weaponize them during conflict. The very things you shared in confidence become ammunition designed to hurt you the most. Perhaps one of the darkest secrets is envy. Healthy people celebrate your growth. Narcissists often compete with it. When you begin healing, setting boundaries, succeeding, finding peace, or growing spiritually, your progress becomes a threat to the control they once enjoyed. Your confidence reminds them they are losing influence. This explains why some narcissists become increasingly hostile just as your life begins improving. Your healing exposes their manipulation. Your peace exposes their chaos. Your confidence exposes their insecurity. Many survivors also discover hidden addictions, secret communications, inappropriate relationships, compulsive behaviors, or years of deception that remained concealed throughout the relationship. While not every narcissist engages in identical behaviors, secrecy is often central to maintaining control. Here's another truth they don't want you to realize. They depend on your silence. As long as you're afraid to trust yourself, they maintain power. As long as you're chasing explanations they'll never honestly provide, they remain in control. Healing begins the moment you stop waiting for their confession and start believing the evidence you've already experienced. You don't need every answer to move forward. You don't need every secret revealed before choosing peace. Sometimes the greatest victory isn't discovering every hidden lie. It's refusing to live under those lies any longer. For those walking a journey of faith, remember that God is never deceived. Even when hidden motives remain unseen by everyone else, nothing escapes his understanding. What people conceal, God already knows. What they manipulate, he can unravel. What they intended for harm, he can redeem for your good. Psalm 34 reminds us that the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. If betrayal has left you questioning your worth, remember this: another person's deception never changes your value. You were not created to live in confusion. You were created to live in truth. Today, choose wisdom over denial. Choose discernment over manipulation. Choose healing over revenge. And choose freedom over fear. The narcissist's greatest secret isn't simply the lies they told. It's the fact that they hoped you would never discover your own strength. But you're discovering it now. Each healthy boundary you establish is proof. Each peaceful day you reclaim is proof. Each step toward emotional and spiritual healing is proof that their control is ending. Thank you for spending these moments with us here at Narcissism Freedom. If this message encouraged you or helped you recognize patterns you couldn't explain before, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who may need this encouragement today. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What truth helped set you free from narcissistic betrayal? Until next time, continue protecting your peace, walking in wisdom, and remembering that your future is not defined by someone else's betrayal. It is defined by the freedom, healing, and hope that God has prepared for you.